Are you preparing for JavaScript interview? If so, you are in the right place. In this video, we will dive into JavaScript interview questions and provide you detailed answer to ace your interview. Let's jump right in. What is hoisting? Hoisting is a JavaScript behavior where variable and function declarations are moved to the top of their scope during compilation. However, only declarations are hoisted, not the initializations. Explain closure. Closure is a feature of JavaScript which allows inner functions to access the outer scope of the function. Also, it helps in binding a function to its outer boundary and is created whenever a function is created. What is the event loops? The event loop is the critical part of JavaScript's concurrency model. It's responsible for handling asynchronous operations such as callbacks and promises, ensuring that they execute in non-blocking manner. What is event bubbling and capturing phase? Events in DOM follows a propagation model with two phases, capturing and bubbling. Capturing starts from the root and goes to the target element, while bubbling goes from the target element to the root. Understanding these phases is crucial for the event handling. What are promises? Promises are a way to handle asynchronous operations in a more structured and readable manner. They represent a value that might be available now, never, or later. And they provide methods like then and catch for handling success and errors.
Explain this keyword.
This keyword is referred to an object that is executing the current piece of code. Its value depends on how a function is invoked. It can be quite tricky as it can point to the different objects such as the calling object, the global object, or a new instance.
Explain the call and apply method.
Call and apply method that allows you to invoke a function with a specified this value and arguments. Call takes individual argument while apply takes an array of arguments. What is the prototype chain? The prototype chain is a mechanism in JavaScript that allows objects to inherit properties and methods from other objects. It's the foundation of JavaScript's inheritance model where objects can share behavior through their prototype. Explain the map and set data structures. Map is a collection of key-value pair allowing you to map value to keys, while set is a collection of unique value. Both are handy of various data manipulation tasks. There you have it. We hope this video helps you prepare for your JavaScript interview and boost your confidence. Remember to practice this concept and keep exploring JavaScript to stay sharp. But before we go, we would like to invite you to connect with us further. Follow us on social media platforms for more valuable content and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular updates. And if you ever need any kind of software development services, whether it's web development or mobile app development, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you bring your ideas to life.